How many times you are planning to give the UGC NET Psychology examination again and again? Let's make this December 2025 your last attempt, and for that you have to just follow 2 to 3 things simply, and you will be able to clear the NET examination despite being the cutoff whatever that is going, and your JRF as well. How you can do that, let's talk in this video, and along with that you have to make sure that you are reading from these two books. This is the primary utmost important thing that you should need to take care of. AK Singh Research Methodology, that book, plus along with that you are having Saundra K. Cicarelli, this book as well. If you will read line by line everything from here, you will be able to solve each and every question 85 to 90% on your own without having any prior or any extra knowledge. You just have to focus on these two books that is so much required for this particular UGC NET Psychology examination. You would not need to join any course or anything you can even think of. Imagine no notes, nothing can help you that much which these books will help you. Yes, notes are necessary, classes, courses are necessary, but that saves your time. But if you are having time, you want to go into deep knowledge, or if you don't have money as well, in that scenario also, these two books are the most important thing which you need to take care of to clear the upcoming UGC NET Psychology December 2025 examination. Okay. Along with that, there is one more necessary thing that we call it as the PYQ. PYQs are very important for you. If you have any sort of PYQ book, that's completely okay. The point over here is you are here to practice. Okay, you should do practice more and more these PYQs. Rest all will be taken care of automatically. Once you practice the PYQs again and again repeatedly, it gets encoded in your long-term memory, and in the long run you will be able to retain these concepts and these questions which you are doing wrong. If you do questions wrong today, then most likely in the examination hall you will not make that mistake. 100% it is guaranteed that you will not repeat the same stupid mistake that you are doing in these practice sets. Okay, so you can opt for any PYQ book which is suitable for you, and if you want you can go with my as well, and which look something like this. So this is your UGC NET Psychology PYQ ebook set for your all 10 units. Okay, you will receive all 10 different units on your mail, and you can just unlock your PYQs from when, from June 2019 to June 2025. Okay, so this is the book that we offer and which looks something like this. Okay, you can have a look at this as well and see that you are having questions, then you are having the answer key for practice, then you are having the questions, then you are having the answer key for practice. Okay, and now where you will find the answers, how you can read, you have to just go to that two particular books that we have just mentioned in this particular video. Okay, so if you want this, you can practice. You just need to check the description. The details are given, and you can get this psychology PYQ ebook in hours. Okay, so that you start your practice right now today only. Okay, because practice is most important. And if you don't want this, that is completely okay. You can opt for any other PYQ book which you think will be helpful for you, and that's completely okay. But the point over here is you have to practice these questions 100% by heart. Without doing PYQs properly, it is not humanly possible that you are going to achieve high score of 200, 200 plus, 210 plus, 220 plus. You have to do the PYQs n number of times. Why? Because 60% to 70% of questions are coming directly or indirectly from your PYQs. Okay, it's not like that the same question will be repeated, but the trends will be repeated. The trends are repeating again and again. For example, we will just take a quick example about the non-parametric and the parametric. You have to know this basic difference between these two, and this is the free mark. If you just once understood that for t-test and ANOVA what are the two alternatives, this will give you 2 to 4 marks for free. You don't have to read this thing or study this thing or get this concept clear again in your life. But for once you have to do that to understand what is happening with these non-parametric and parametric tests. Okay, what is the logic behind that? And talking about one more example, that is your NOIR. Okay, nominal ordinal interval ratio. This is going to come again and again repeatedly, has happened in past as well, and it will keep on repeating. They are having a limited syllabus, but you have been told that the syllabus is unlimited. No, it's nothing like that. The syllabus is limited, the themes are limited. It's just that how quickly you can identify on your own. Okay, this is the whole point, and for that, to identify the themes, you just need to refer to the A book and the C book, we will call it as, and you can just, if you go through these books completely, December 2025 will be your last attempt. It has happened in the past, people have done this, people have been trying for JRF from I don't know how many attempts, but once they get hold of PYQs, then and only then they are able to get this JRF. Okay, without that, that is not possible. That you not leaving PYQs completely will get you nowhere. You will keep on stuck in this particular examination again and again. You will now give December 25, then June 26, then December 26, and people are doing like this only. Why? Because they are not reading seriously from these two books, or they are not that much internally motivated. They are having their motivation for 2 months or 3 months randomly, that too also. Okay, but if you are motivated that you can straight for next 2 months, you are left with, this is the 8th 9th 10th you are having for next 2 months. If you can follow this complete plan, then it is nothing better than this. Okay, you just need to take care of these two books, plus you have to do the PYQs. Okay, for practice you can take mine as well, or any other as well which you feel suitable for you, which you feel will be more helpful for you for practice. Okay, so this is the thing that you need to take care of, and once done you will be able to clear the December 2025 examination. See, now I will show you, I have shown you this thing, now I will show you the power of PYQ, that how solving PYQs or even knowing what are those PYQs and knowing in detail will help you more marks. There are several schools of yoga, which of the following represent some of those schools. If you don't know about this question, that's completely okay, but what if you would have solved June 2023 paper? Okay, if you have done June 2023 paper, if you have done practice from that, or if you have watched any of our premium videos, then it's okay. Then you know that okay, this question is coming from where it is coming, it has its roots from June 2023 session. Okay, now Dvandva Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Karma Yoga and Gyan Yoga are the options given over here as well. But what is the correct answer? I will tell you mnemonic, which will help you for your life. The mnemonic is your BKC. If you know BKC center, BKC. For this C, you have to just switch on with your BKG. Okay. Now, what this stand for? Bhakti Yoga, Karma Yoga, and Jnana Yoga. Okay. Now, why this question is having roots in 2023? Now, this becomes very, very important for you. Okay. Now, we will quickly go from this June 2023 session. There were 11 questions from your unit number first, and see this question. What they are telling you. The Bhagavad Gita has 18 chapters, Adhyay, named after some form of yoga, which is not the correct Adhyay out of the following. Options given as Dhyan, Akshar Brahma Yoga, Purushottam Yoga, and Jagrat Yoga. When I was telling you in the video, when we were solving that video, I have told you that this has to do with your Mandukya Upanishad. This has to do with your levels of consciousness, and the mnemonic for that is JSPT. Jagrat Avastha, Swapna Avastha, Pragya Avastha, and Turiya Avastha. This is the mnemonic for that, and it has no relation with Bhagavad Gita or the 18 chapters mentioned in that. I have also told you that you don't need to remember all the 18 chapters, but yes, some of the important ones you need to remember that. That is very, very IMP for you. And let's just have a look and see, these are the 18 chapters. For next time also, I am telling you, it is not possible humanly that you have to remember all these 18 chapters. It is not at all required, but yes, you have to remember the most important ones. See, Sankhya Yoga is there, Karma and Jnana. See, BKC, Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga, sorry, G over here, BKG, Jnana Yoga, Karma Yoga you have found, and see this Bhakti Yoga, chapter number 12. So for next time, you should know that chapter number 3 is talking about Karma, chapter number 4 is talking about this, and chapter number 12 is talking about the Bhakti Yoga. Now this is possible 100% that this question might arise in examination hall again, that 8th chapter is which one, 12th chapter is which one, 3rd chapter is which one. Okay, and in this way you can solve this question easily once you know that you have solved in June 2023, that okay, now these are 18 chapters, I don't need to remember all the 18 chapters, but yes, the most important ones I should take care of. Okay, now Dvandva Yoga, path of conflict, has nothing to do. Bhakti Yoga is your path of devotion, path of selfless service, and intellectual path. These are the three important things or chapters in your Bhagavad Gita. Didn't you just witness that how unit 1 themes are getting repeated, and this is happening in just not one unit, it is happening in all the units. So that is why what becomes important is that it becomes important for you is the PYQ practice. How much, how can, or how early you can practice those PYQs will decide whether or not December 2025 will be your last attempt or not. If you want to make sure that December 25 is your last attempt forever, and you don't need to study all these complete long syllabus again, just read from the two books, do the practice PYQs, do these PYQs, and if you want, you can opt for my premium videos as well, where we are solving all questions in detail from 2019 till 2025. You can join for that as well. It is all up to you, but the primary requirement is what? Primary requirement is the ACP model. Okay, this is the primary requirement. You do the A book, you do the C book, and you do the what? You do the PYQs properly. Okay, not just like, okay, I know, you don't know, you have to deep dive what is happening over there. And if you can't do on your own, you need some help, then you can refer to this premium videos. For that, the details are given in the description. You can WhatsApp for just 2 days till tomorrow. And if you want this PYQ ebook, this PYQ ebook set, complete set of 10 units, then check the description. The steps are given 1, 2, 3. You just need to follow that steps and you will receive in hours. Okay. For joining the premium course or premium videos, how those are, you will just need to do WhatsApp on the given number. For ebook, you just simply make payment and get that particular ebook if you want, then only. Okay, it is not at all mandatory. Anything which is helping you in PYQ is the thing which you should refer. Apart from that, it's completely upon you where you want to waste your time. Okay, don't waste your time. Make sure that you are in action, you are doing the right karma in the right way, or in the right path, on the right path. Okay, and you are following all the videos. All the free videos are over there as well, how you can score high in this exam. So make sure that you watch all of those, and see you all in our next video. We discuss something else about this, your UTC net psychology, but the questions have been set only from here only. Okay, so you just need to do this thing properly, and then you are good to go. You will clear deck 2025 for sure. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. And for those who want PYQ ebook, they can just follow the steps mentioned in description, and you will get that in hours and start practicing like anything.